In this video, I will show you how to text people on TikTok. So the step are so simple to follow. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, let's say I want to just text this person on TikTok. So now go and search for the person. Let's say I want to message this person on TikTok. So as you can see now, after you open the person like this one, all you have to do now, if you want to just message the person, just tap on this section. As you can see now, tap on this one. As you can see now, this section, tap on it. So now as you can see now, I have not followed this person, but I want to just message him. So as you can see now, tap on this, send a message or send text. Let's say hello. So as you can see now, I send the message. As you can see now, here it say the message sent. As you can see now, now the message sent. So now if this person saw my message, he can be able now to reply to my message. But now if you want to just message someone, like you follow him, as you can see now, if you follow the person and you want to just message the person, as you can see now, if you open up the person profile like this, it will give you an option which says message. So tap on the message. So as you can see now, I have already now followed this person, so now I can be able now to send him a lot of messages. So that's it guys on how to message someone or how to text people on TikTok. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.